We've all been promised the ultimate hands-off robot vacuum experience before, but usually that means babysitting a machine that gets tangled in pet hair, smears wet messes across the kitchen, or completely misses dried up stains. Well, Dyson claims those days are officially over. Meet the Dyson Spot+Scrub AI wet and dry robot vacuum. Dyson took everything we love about their engineering power and jammed it into an autonomous beast with a mop, a vacuum, and that actually thinks its way through your dirtiest floors. And when I say power, I mean 18,000 Pascals of raw suction. That's serious heavy lifting for a robot, but suction is only half the story. To tackle sticky, stubborn messes, it rocks a self-cleaning wet roller that continuously scrubs with fresh water, meaning it's not just dragging a filthy microfiber cloth around your home. Plus, for anyone dealing with long hair or shedding pets, you'll see ours in the video, Dyson added an anti-tangle conical brush bar to keep those wraparounds to an absolute minimum. The real star of the show, though, the AI stain identification. Instead of randomly wandering around, this thing actually sees stubborn spots, identifies the kind of mess it's looking at, and automatically adjusts its water flow and scrubbing intensity to erase it. Is this the smartest, most powerful wet-dry robot vacuum ever? Or is it just high-tech overkill? You've been watching me put it through the ultimate stress test and obstacle course with socks on the floor, pet hair, dirt on the floor, everything you could think of, just to see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. What do you say we go talk to me after I've used it for a couple weeks and see what the experience was like living with it and using it? This is what it got in the first run. First time using it, picked all that up on the floor in vacuum mode. All right, let's empty and refill all 3 of these. Whew. I think our cleaning lady's gonna have to go. There it goes. How cool is that? And look how nice and clean that is.
Oh, that's pretty crazy.
And you can see it opens up the filter area here if you needed to clean that out. See, and you just close it up. It's ready to go again. Now we're going to take this out, the dirty water. See if we could do it so you could see how dirty the water is.
Oh, you're going to clean that.
Just do a quick rinse. Ready to go. This is a unique review of this product. As a concept, we've always heard you get what you pay for. Somewhere there's a Wikipedia page with the definition of value and getting what you paid for, and on that page is this unit here. I have to tell you, I have reviewed so many of these robot vacuums, it's a little crazy, and this one is by far and away the best one I've ever used. It's almost a little ridiculous how perfect this is. I just loved everything it did. I had no issues. So if you were on the fence at all, or you care what I say, you should just buy it now. There's a link here on the screen. There's one down there below. Both of them work the same way to get you the most current pricing. I will remind you, they did provide this to me to do this review, but if you've looked at my channel at all, you have seen I'm not always very nice to this equipment, and it's almost all provided by brands. So this is about my most heartfelt, best recommendation of anything ever. I absolutely love this thing. You should get it for yourself. Let me tell you a little bit about why. The intelligence of this is ridiculous. You can see on the video, I even left socks around. Now, I didn't particularly choose socks as an obstacle, but we know they're very low profile, very hard to see. They normally end up in the robot, and they happen to be the favorite toy of the cute little puppy that you see walking around. Love socks, so we always have a couple of them floating around the house. So it was perfect to set up cameras and see if this would run them over and eat them, and it absolutely saw them and drove around them. And on the app, it even tells you where in the room it found debris or socks, like things blocking things. The other thing you need to know is this thing, while it is not supposed to shed, you saw how much hair and debris was in this thing when I went to go clean it out, and that was the second time I've cleaned it out. It is incredible how effective it is cleaning things up, because we have a cleaning team that comes here every other week, and they came here like shortly before I set this thing up and have been here again since. And even with me running it all the time and kind of stuff, we still picked up an enormous amount of debris, which I have no idea where it came from, because the room is really pretty clean. Speaking of the room, it mapped out the entire freaking house perfectly. Amazing. That was awesome. The mopping function, absolutely incredible. Love that. It just worked perfectly. Actually, it was so hard for me to catch it on video. Obviously it is round, but as it goes along the walls and the furniture, first off, it knows it's near a wall and a furniture, and it slides the roller over so it gets all the way to the wall and to the furniture like a perfect seam. It's not missing anything as it goes along the walls or the furniture. There's no like gap because it's round. It slides the whole mopping device over to the wall. It was super cool to watch. Somehow it was always in the shade, and I was never able to really get it great on video. I haven't watched the pure video yet. Maybe we'll find a good clip of it to put it up, but I felt like I missed it every single time, and I followed it around a lot. So the mopping function was perfect. The vacuum we've seen absolutely worked perfectly. When it was on the automatic mode where it was both vacuuming and mopping, it absolutely got to the carpeted areas, stopped mopping and just vacuumed. Then when it got back to the hard floor, it vacuumed and then mopped. I'm telling you, the most perfect answer we have ever had in a vacuum cleaner. I mean, flawless, perfect. You should absolutely be getting this for yourself. It is a no-brainer. I'm really disappointed in myself that I can't think of a single thing that I didn't like about it, but I could not. That is my in-depth review where I didn't discover a single thing that I didn't like about it. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If I've added some value telling you this is amazing, remember to like the video, follow the channel, and put in the comments what was the most interesting part of this conversation to you. Like, to me, the absolute most interesting, which I wasn't expecting at all, was that mop roller thing that slides out. Ridiculously cool. But maybe you've seen that before. Was there something else that was interesting in this conversation? Put it in the comments. I'm really curious about that. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.